Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Slimline Big BooBoo die. This is a 9-piece slimline die set, and I'm going to die cut them out so you can see what all the pieces look like. You get the center of the band-aid that measures approximately 2 7/8 by 2 3/4. And the big band-aid, which is so realistic to a real band-aid, and it measures approximately 8 1/4 inches long by 3 1/2 inches wide. You get this band-aid, which is 2 1/2 inches long by 5/8 inches wide, and it comes with these lips that are 1 inch long by 5/8 inches wide, and the middle of the lips cut out. You get a heart band-aid, which is about 3/4 inches big. Then there's this tiny band-aid about 1 1/4 inches long by 1/4 inch wide. And then you get all these little squares and rectangles, which are used for where the cotton part of the band-aid would normally be. You can use the square cutouts for the heart band-aid, and you get 2 different sizes. You get a smaller one and then a really tiny one, which fits really nice in the heart. So you really get a lot of options with this die set. I did make 2 totally different cards I wanted to share with you. I paired the Slimline Big BooBoo die with the new Big BooBoo stamp set. I also used the UGG word die in the black and white dog print paper. For my next card, I used the Slimline Big BooBoo die again and the Wonky Stitch rectangle die, along with the Mix and Match 2 pattern paper pack and the Big BooBoo stamp set. And that will complete my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release, and don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.